Ideal outdoor accessories. The Stanley Cook Kit is perfect for outdoor cooking for hot meals, coffee, or boiling water. Our cooking pots come with a vented top to let steam escape or strain liquid. This is a great survival supplies kit too. Versatile handle. We designed the handle to provide maximum comfort and stability while it's on the stove. The locking handle extends for stable cooking but folds over the lid to save space with the rest of your gear. Durable and BPA-free. The kettle, coffee maker is constructed with 18/8 stainless steel and features two insulated portable 10 ounces/295 milliliters tumblers to enjoy hot and cold beverages. The entire kit is made with BPA-free materials. Lightweight design. The stovetop mess kit with cups loaded weighs 13.9 ounces and empty it's only 7.8 ounces, which makes it travel and backpack friendly. The kettle has graduated marks going up to 20 ounces. Top reviews from the United States. I own 3 of these. I do a lot of camping and long drives. I keep one of these in my car with a spit stove at all times, perfect for making instant coffee at roadside parks. The one in my photos is my backup. My normal use one has quite a bit of blackening and soot from heavy use, but it has survived pretty well. I've only had to replace one, and that's cause I ran it over with my truck forgetting it was on the tailgate. Perfect size for cooking a can of pork and beans, making cocoa or instant coffee for 2. It meet perfectly with those metal cups for Nalgene bottles. Make sure your Nalgene cup is rated for cooking if you plan to cook with it. It's just a great cooking pot set. Everyone ought to have one of these in a Nesbitt stove, perfect for power outages, whether they be from winter storms, hurricanes, tornadoes or anything like that. It's an essential centerpiece of any emergency kit, from inevitable power outages and storms all the way up to the most serious of prepper bug out bags ready for a zombie apocalypse and everything in between.